Now that we've declared the Renovation Resort champion, congratulations again, Holly and Graham. We also have a surprise for the runner-up team.
And the runners-up will receive 2 round-trip tickets, 4 nights, 5 days at our luxury boutique hotel, Sarulamar in the Bahamas.
Oh my God. Hey.
After such a grueling competition, it will be a nice and well-deserved getaway.
And if you're lucky, Scott won't be available those days.
So are we ready? The Season 2 Renovation Resort runner-up team is Camille and Chris.
Oh.
You earned your place in the top 2. Congratulations.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Cami, you thought about everything when it came to the design, down to those smallest items. Chris, your craftsmanship was impeccable.
You created a theme that as soon as anyone sees your property, they're gonna feel that magic, and that's what vacation properties are all about. You should be super proud of yourselves. I think you will attract guests from near and far who are gonna make your vacation property their must-go-to destination.
Cami had a vision. I don't want to let her down and us down. We want to create something unique and beautiful, and we just went for it. So I'm really proud of us, what we accomplished. To be here and with everybody and to have you guys evaluate our work has just been an honor and an absolute pleasure. And to do it with my best friend in the whole world, my wife and my life partner, it's a surreal experience.
From day one, when I did not believe in myself, you pushed me every single minute of every single day. Really, really hard.
I'm kind of annoying.
I'm really proud of myself, and I'm really proud of you.
Thank you.
I really did.
I love you, babe.